Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to screen mirror the iPhone 17 Pro to TV. So by the end of this video, you should be able to wirelessly connect and view your photos, videos, literally everything on your iPhone 17 Pro on your TV. Now there are basically two ways you can go about doing this depending on the type of TV you have. First off, if you have a TV that is not an Android or a Google TV, that is a Samsung TV or an LG TV or a Hisense TV, literally any TV that is not an Android or a Google TV, first thing you want to do is to make sure that both your iPhone 17 Pro and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So in my case, if you swipe down through my iPhone 17 Pro, you can literally see that I am currently connected to my home Wi-Fi network. It can be your hotspot. And then you also want to make sure that your TV is also connected to that same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. Once that is done, you also want to make sure that Apple AirPlay is actually turned on your TV as well. Androids and Google TVs does not have Apple AirPlay built in, and that is why there is a different method for those kinds of TVs. But for every other type of TV, you can literally find the Apple AirPlay features from the settings of your TV. So just go over to settings and then to the connection settings. You should be able to find the Apple AirPlay and HomeKit settings. If you do not find it over here, in some TVs, you can literally find it somewhere around the home screen of the TV. Like for some LG TVs, you would literally find it on the home dashboard settings. But once you find the Apple AirPlay and HomeKit settings, go ahead and select that. And then just make sure that Apple AirPlay is actually turned on the TV. You want to come over to your iPhone 17 Pro. You basically just want to swipe down through this notification center and you should be able to find the screen mirroring or screencast icon over here. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you can see the name of my TV. It is the living room TV. I'll go ahead and tap on that. Give it a couple of seconds. Now you want to enter this code on your TV inside of your iPhone 17 Pro. I'll go ahead and enter mine, and automatically your iPhone 17 Pro will be wirelessly connected to your TV, and you can go ahead and view your photos and videos directly from here, and it's going to work out absolutely well without any problem. Now finally, in order for you to screen mirror your iPhone 17 Pro to your Android or your Google TV just like this one, any Android TV at all, what you want to do again is to make sure that both devices are actually connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. But since Androids and Google TV do not have the Apple AirPlay feature, what you want to do is to head over to the Google Play Store of your Android or your Google TV. And once the Google Play Store opens up, you want to scroll over to the search icon at the top. Now proceed to search for the app known as AirScreen. This is actually a third-party app that is going to serve as the Apple AirPlay feature on our Android or Google TV. You can literally see it over here. So just make sure you download and install this application into your Android or your Google TV. Now finally, once it is downloaded and installed, you want to open it up directly from here. And then proceed to set it up. So click on continue, click on grant while using this app. Now you just want to click on the cancel at the top. Once you see this pop up, you want to click on the force start option over here. And then make sure you enable the allow display over other applications for the AirScreen application. So go ahead and enable this permission for AirScreen, then go back to the application. Finally, you want to come over to your iPhone 17 Pro again. Now just swipe down through this notification center, click on the screen mirroring or cast option over here. So you can see the AirScreen application over here. Go ahead and tap on that. Give it a couple of seconds and automatically your iPhone 17 Pro will as well be mirrored to your Android or your Google TV. And as you can see, this works absolutely well. That will be all on this video, guys. Please let me know if this tutorial was helpful in the comment section.